can see very well. Nice Subaru Legacy import, and I am doing some bottom arms, two bottom arms, drop links, and also I'm not sure if you see the belt, the auxiliary belts. Absolutely chewed up, both of them. So I've got some new belts as well to do. Let's take a look underneath. The arms don't look too bad to do. They've got like a sort of double wishbone setup here. Bolt at the back, but then the drop link also goes on them as well. But I have got new drop links, so if they're spinning or anything, it's not really an issue. Because like I said, I've got other ones. I've jacked both sides up rather than doing one side at a time, because if you just jack one side up, you'll put so much pressure on the anti-roll bar that you really struggle getting the drop link out. So if you are taking a drop link out, it's always best to jack both sides up. It just makes it easier for yourself, really. So we'll start wicking some bolts out and get started.
Are you not entertained?
Every time, every night is a loose one. And every flight, you know that I put the crew on. You say that I dropped off, well then tell me what you done. I'm still in my winning phase, yeah, I've been away. Are you entertained?
The God of me, that's what I'm constantly summoning. I love the climb, I don't care where the summit is. Funny when people be saying I peaked. Retired, my parents, they live at the beach. Models and freaks is my track record. I made my homies my staff members. Got myself lit to give y'all the light. Using my mind to attract better. At first when adversity came, I said why me? Now I be staring it down saying try me. Kyrie, I handle it well. They still taking shots trying to hand me a L, but I pass on that. Anger, I try not to act on that. I'ma just transmute it, put it all back in the music. It's feeling like I might just be on the road. I'm never selling my soul. Our records are platinum and gold. It just keeps happening, whoa. It's feeling like I might just be on the road. I'm never selling my soul. Our records are platinum and gold. It just keeps happening, whoa. Every time you see me shine and move up, I see this recline, the jet is G5, I blew up. You tell me I fell off, but tell me what you done. I'm still in my winning phase, while we switching lanes. Are you entertained? I'm going.
I'm in the pub with the bros, lighting up something that goes. Nothing is froze, but when I put the kettle on, it's a number that nobody knows. I stay off the road, living the sticks, put my profit into mortar and bricks. You know I got good advice from a couple guys to leave more than just stress for my kids. Well, isn't it blissful, baby? Sitting in like we made it. It's kinda mad how the game is. You celebrate it and hate it, but I don't pay no attention to the words. Put out another one, let it burn. Still on the list, you know what it is. They're putting me first, yeah. Met Ross and Carbone in New York, now we're here and I'm killing the verse. And every time it's gotta be right. And he told me, Teddy boy, take him to church.
So there you go, guys. The other side's on now. So that video then was on and off. Took me about 15 minutes to be honest, which I don't think is too bad on your back on the drive. Obviously I didn't have any issues, everything came out right, pinch bolt came out alright, but it has got a drop leak on as well, so whether that's something, 15 minutes I don't think is too bad. So I could add it on, because I'll obviously speed it up for the video, but I could add it on in real time. If anybody did want, you just have to put in the comments if you do want or not. But we've got the alternator belts to do now, so I'll skip around and we'll do them. I'll just put these wheels on and drop the car down. So we're on with the belts now, and as you can see, they're lowered out. So I've got both of them here. So there's one that goes around the alternator and what looks like the power steering pump, and the other one, where's that, the power steering pump? Oh, that's power steering pump, and that's the aircon pump. So aircon pump, power steering pump, crank down there. Both work the similar way really. It looks like they've got an adjuster. So this one adjusts the alternator, so as you so you'll crack that off, and then as you turn this, it'll move the alternator up and down, which in turn will move the pulley down to allow it to free. And again at the bottom, but that's just on like an idler pulley. So again, I'd loosen that off, and then as I adjust this, it'll move the pulley up, allowing me to get the belt off. So I'll set the camera up on the tripod and make a start. Sweet, sounds alright. Sounds alright at the back as well. So another video done, guys. Before I go, so the guy said he's got an issue with his central lock and stuff, so I thought while I've got it I'll have a quick look, just double check his fuses and stuff like that. So I found the owner's manual as you do. First thing, electrical fault, check the fuses, and all well and good having a Jap import until you come to the manual and it's all in Japanese. So I'll just have to go old school with a multimeter or something and just test them all. Anyway, so thanks for watching another video. I'm going to actually make a start now on the insignia from the last one. The coolant's all fine. The cooling fan's kicking in, not a problem. It's not overheating, all that's done. But as you could see on the last one with the oil leak from the head gasket, so got head gasket, water pump, timing bell, head bolts. I'm going to do an oil filter as well on it. Just catch me in the next video, and that'll be that. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and everything else you do. I'm still new to this, so I'm still getting used to it. But please subscribe, guys, and let's see what else I can do. Thank you. So just to add, guys, I've just come to go through my videos to edit them and put them on. For some reason, the one I did one of taking the arm off and putting it back on, just a full complete video on the passenger side, and it were about 16 minutes long, but for some reason I don't know, it's corrupt something, I just can't get it. It's disappeared, which is a bit well, a bit crap really, because it makes the whole video a bit, you know, pointless. But I'll put up what I've got and you can see what you can see. But to be honest with you, it weren't that much of a bad job. It was like I said, 16 minutes for an arm off and on your back, not too bad at all. But all the bolts came out all right. Not even sure how old the car is, but like the pinch bolt especially, you know, normally they can snap easily. But no issues like that. So if you do ever get one, then yeah, get it done. It's not too bad of a job at all. But I'll upload the video.